All right, so I'm gonna go through how to winterize a boat, how I do it. We'll use a little pool and a sump pump and some RV antifreeze. I'm gonna go ahead and get the water going to it and get it warmed up. Make sure the thermostat opens up, because when you do this, you don't want it to. You want to make sure it's warmed up so your thermostat opens so the water gets through the whole thing. So we'll get that warmed up and we'll get ready to put the antifreeze in. Topped it off with the 91 octane ethanol free. I don't like ethanol in it. I'm gonna put the Sta-Bil in it, 1 ounce for 10 gallons. I'm gonna put 7 ounces in it. I got a 70-gallon tank. And we'll take the air cleaner off so we can, just before we're done, we'll fog the motor real good. We'll just spray this right into the throttle body. Do what? Alright, so once it's good and flushed out and warmed up, we'll kill it. So let's pull up with the RV antifreeze and sump pump that in there. You'll see how we do that. All right, when we first start it up, we'll let the fresh water run out of it as much as possible, and then once we start seeing pink come out of it, we'll shove this under there, then we know it's the best mix. Now, hopefully it's fine.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right.
Are we ready to start it?
So once you start it, I'll plug it in. Double check it here. All right, I got power.
Okay. Know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Circulating through the motor and back into the pool and getting pumped back in. Once it gets nice and warm, that water will stay warm. Hopefully keep the thermostat open. Just been kind of watching it. If some runs dry, have some ready to go to pour in there. Once we're confident it's warmed up, circulating through the whole motor, we'll douse it with the fogging oil to where it almost dies and then kill it. It'll be ready for the winter. So it's nice and warmed up, still circulating the antifreeze. So whenever we're ready here, we're just going to douse this motor and get that fogging oil in there as much as we can, then kill it so don't burn it off. Ready?
Ready to shut it off?
I think so. Alright, so it's now winterized. So you always want to have great help, as in your dad, and he represents Country Mark. So if you're going to winterize your boat, put that 91 ethanol free in there. You get your
quality Country Mark fuels.
Alright, thanks for watching.